What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I went from this to this very easily and low cost. So first of all, you got to get those parts right. They are essential to the look, and for me, that's actually one of my weak spots. I am not great at parting, so this took me a little while to do. But once you got it done, you want to section your hair off. I started with 4 parts, and what I'm going to do here now is just refine the part. Here I'm using Shine and Jam. I like it because it lays the hair down without a strong hold, because that's not really what I'm looking for. I want the hair to, be able to move a little bit. So now we're moving into the method that I'm using. I'm going to split the section in half. I'm using some braid hair. I'm going to section off just about enough of how big I want my actual twist to be. Hope you guys can see that. I'm going to place it in the middle and make sure that the braid hair is even on both sides, especially since I have color on the end. That way it doesn't, get mismatched on the way down. And now I'm going to take a rubber band. I use the extra large rubber bands. Again, I'm not extremely fond of super tight hairstyles, so I want it to be tight and clean, but just not so tight that it's pulling my hair out. So I'm using the extra large rubber bands here. And also what I do before I use rubber bands, because I don't use them often, I put them in some oil, any oil of your choice, and I kind of saturate them just so they have make it not so much friction on my hair, make it slide a little bit better. So now I'm just going to pull gently. Now we begin to twist. And there's my big boy. Make sure you're twisting 2 to 3 times before you wrap it over. It gives the twist more definition. And also what I like to do, I know some people burn their ends. I don't know if they still do that, but I like to braid mine once I get down to the end. That just helps them stay together better. And then I will also dip them in some hot water. So what I'm about to show you here is the wrong way to do it, which I didn't realize until I did it the wrong way. So if you twist it the opposite way, the twist will just look like a big old blob. You won't get that definition. So what you want to do is you want to make sure you take that right hand and you twist it 3 times, and then you go take the left hand and go over the right. So I'm going to do it again, go over the right and begin to twist over the right hand strand. Because if you go left, from my experience, it won't have definition. It will just kind of blend into itself, and you won't have that nice twist look like we have here. We're almost done. What's up, guys? We are done. So here is the finished look. I told you it was going to be quick. It was going to be easy. I spent a total of $15 to get to what I needed to create this hairstyle. So you guys, I'm just really happy with the way this look came out. Again, this was my first time trying it. It was really simple, really easy. I already look forward to doing it again. I ended up finding these cute little jewels at my local beauty supply and added them in. Thank y'all so much for joining us on this video. I hope it helped you. It's super quick, super easy, and very inexpensive compared to your hairstyles these days if you go to a beautician. And we hope to see you on the next video. Be looking out for it next week. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We have a variety of content for the family, all friendly. Thank you guys, and we'll see you on the next one.